Before we start today's video, I want to thank you guys for 500 subs. Thank you guys for that. Let's try to hit 1,000 before the end of the year, which would be crazy, but I think it's doable. And then the second thing I want to say is shout out to Michigan E90X. I'll pop up their Instagram and their website right here, and then it'll all be in the description too. So they actually sent me the product that's in today's video. So big shout out to them. They reached out to me and wanted me to do a review on their product. And of course, I'm not going to turn down free car parts. And I've talked to them in the past, and they're really cool. So huge shout out to them. So let's get started with this video. Alright, so we're at Walmart getting a bunch of other brands phone holders. Alright, so we got the vent holder. Alright, so we got the vent holder. Alright, then we got a windshield mount holder for the phone. Yes, sir. Then we got the cigarette lighter phone mount. So you all have probably seen that TikTok where the golfer hits like the text messages. So today we're gonna be doing that with car phone mounts. All right, so we got 4 different car mounts here. So obviously we're not at a golf course. I want to go to a golf course and do the whole thing, but it's raining and I have to leave. So we're in a school parking lot, so. All right, so everyone with the E9X knows that all the phone holders are trash. So today we're gonna be going through 4 phone holders here. So we got the first one, the cigarette lighter mount. Trash. I got the windshield mount right here. Trash. Vent mount right here. Trash. That was first tee. That was tough. I got the Michigan E90X mount right here. Not trash. All right, so it's a good day at the greens. What are you doing? Grab my tee. Come on! Let's go! Bro, that thing is way gone. No littering. Oh, this was our putting greens today. Some random ass grass. What a good cat. All right, so this is the box you get the phone holder in. Comes in a nice package box like this with all the foam surrounding, so it fits in there nicely. So you first comes with the actual mount itself. It's kind of like a magnetic ball. You can even take this part off like this. It's all magnetic, which is really cool. That way, like, it'll never break off or anything. It'll just snap back on there, and you can have this mounted any way. So it just swivels around it like this, and it's really good material and super sturdy and strong. And it's got these 4 bolts back here that I'll show you guys what to do with a little bit later. So set this aside. So it comes with 2 extra threads just in case you lose them, either in shipping or any other reasons. And it comes with 2 of the magnets that you can put on your tablet or your cell phone. And then lastly in here, it comes with the Allen key, which goes in here to tighten and loosen these, which is really helpful because this is a really small Allen key. And I think if they didn't send this, I would not have had that. That's nice that they provided the tool for that too. So this will be available on their website for $39.95 plus shipping. So like for 40 bucks, you can get this phone holder here, but it's not like any other like Walmart cheap one. It's actually a good quality. And the big problem with E9X phone holders is a lot of them block the vents, or with the Walmart one where you can stick it on there and then have the magnet, there's really no good place to put it in these cars. It's always kind of in the way of something. I've tried it before and it just doesn't work. So I'm actually really pumped that Michigan E90X decided to design their own kind of product to resolve that issue. I actually am pretty hyped about this. So the first thing you want to do is remove this centerpiece here, and you can just do that with a flathead or a pry tool if you have one. So literally all you gotta do is get behind here and then pry outwards. Pretty sure you just get in between behind there and then the little lip of this. Be careful, just make sure you don't crack the plastic or anything. I think it's strong enough to where it won't. Wiggle it out And then you want to go ahead and unplug these two wires right here. And then this is what the actual phone holder will mount to. So it's based around this to fit on here, which is really cool. All right, so once you have this piece out, essentially these screws behind here is what holds it onto here, like that kind of. You want to back the screws out from the middle. So just use the Allen key that they provided and just make sure you got the screws out the way. All right. And now once it's like that, literally all you gotta do is put on there just like this. Fits in there real nicely. And then tighten up all the screws behind here. So that way it'll go over the lip that you can see right there. So the screws will go over the OEM plastic lip. That way it'll hold on to the piece. And all I gotta do is just tighten them all up. I'm sure this is probably pointless to put in the video, but I'll put it in there anyways. So here's the two magnets that they give you. Oh, what is this? Oh, this might be a new thing to put here. Oh yeah, so this could replace that maybe. Maybe I'm wrong. If this gets scratched up, this goes there. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I don't really know what this is for. So this is the actual magnet that makes your phone stick to the holder. Yes, sir. So now I got like this. Should be holding like that. So now I just gotta throw it back in the car. All right, so now literally all you do from here, plug back in the two wires and then just push it all back where it belongs. Yes, sir. See, now that doesn't block the vents or anything. And it's like really strong. Like I know most of them, like if you put it anywhere, it'll just fall down. So it's actually like really strong. That's a really good spot to have it too. Not blocking the vents or anything. They're not super out of the way. I really like how it's all magnetic, so it's all super strong. Jesus. That's sick. I normally always just kept it right in my lap, like right here, which was really annoying, but I was just used to it because, like I said before, I tried getting the little one from Walmart where you stick it and then it has the magnet, but I couldn't find any good places to put it. So again, shout out Michigan E90X for that. Really good idea with this. Nice design, nice finish and everything. It looks awesome. The magnet's definitely strong enough to where if you have an iPad or like a Samsung tablet or anything, you can mount it on there. It will definitely hold. It holds my phone perfectly fine. I'm sure it'll hold literally any device with no problem. So like I said earlier in this video, it'll all be for $39.95 plus shipping. Go on MichiganE90X.com. And it's live on their site now, so make sure to go buy one. And if you buy one, just DM me a picture on either my account or our channel's account, and I'll put you guys in the next video, like for a shout out. I know it's not much of a shout out because we only have like 500 something subs, but I don't know, maybe it's something cool. So if you buy one, send me a picture that you bought one and I'll put you in the next video. Sorry for the short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sweating my ass off. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Peace out. Catch you on the flip.